Hello, hi, Xposed GHFM Bambros. Subscribe, share me to my announce akabi. Esum akagana. Esum pa na akagana yi. Yahwe nifa, yahwe benguma. Esum na adru Ghana yi. Ai, yeah, Maame Jane. Ai, niyama yetete ne pa chese. Oyare kakra, na ho dodo no. Enam se esum adu Ghana. Ni America no ntse mase esum na adu Ghana because so ni mi bi. Ayet to say yam penifo no omo yare dodo. I minim say donia de mom na nyo say de yo but I fear prokuya I make analysis of de bia ye kwasia politics na ye na make na ye ntiase no ene MPP na NDC 4 ka ene NDC na MPP 4 ka ye kwotie afia popie ba ye be gugwam
one say NDC the vice president yare politics one say na ebuabo NDC especially honorable Okujeto Ablakwa one say ebuabo no se who say honorable Okujeto Ablakwa asem na buabo no amu ye third world country what the politics e bebo wa wuti so no wa pampa so this is exactly what is playing out some time ago na ye Kufuado ene Oforiata na ye Rollins ne Nkrofo because asem enye MPP ni NDC na na do ne Ablakwa mo time in start in fact President Rollins time Rollins the same Rollins no kwa brochire kwhwe ne ho yare kwa na odidi fufuro ekoso de Paul Jemfi. He was going under a different name to hospitals in London. To the extent that President Rollins the never baz and to call medical school Ireland. Busa say na medical school bi ni lego ana. Vice President vice president brochire ne de ne ko no. Omo hwe no UGMC wie no. Na de ne ko brochire. Health must not be politics because even America, America for core hospitals were Germany, France. Sometimes there are some specific medical mutumi kwa brochire. So mo de ye for yata kwa brochire na me see from Rollins or kwa brochire ko hwe no ho yare because no nim se nkofo be kan to say your friend say Paul Jemfi. This was reported by Daily Guide and Baby and Saba and also Chronicle. Go and read the newspaper clippings. You see it. You need see a apomode look apomode health. It is no respecter of party card. Apomode by all means be vice president. Your mom pay man Maame no honton because Maame na asumo man and Ghana mremu say we a public office holder. E wo mrenu mo ka service conditions no into anya abone. So akwa broche ko hwe no ho yare onye abone e kan health conditions no. Ghana private sector mom yedma AGC Newmont any most of the multinationals got Poha VRA ni big companies omo workers yare de omo kwa brochire because your doctors were Ghana pa but any equipment ni nyina na wo Ghana any treatment ni nyina na wo Ghana and Ghana so kwa the HIPAA rules laws privacy laws eche obi yare a yem protect nipa no records ne medical records ni ade Ghana yemfa nya adwuma enti onipa no kra ye public officer na ye say enka the conditions of service won no akitani si ko be kwa abrochi akotwe no ya because abrochi obi nim no release medical records nipa we ne hwene na ye ne ya ni ti na ye ne ya we breach law no the nipa no be demma won hwe be gene license Ghana yanko ye license kra ma teachers kra ye de ye politics yenye license man nurses ebe ya asem enso Ghana for kwa brochie kotro any place to America omo kotro ne ansa na waji license na wo ye bibi ba ko na e breach license ye jo license dey from sem bibia ye de useless unnecessary bogus politics any ene enti ero Okujeto Ablakwa asem na okan na ewe no enne kofa hu video aba se wakwa press conference chinchire and then you stopping public officials from getting treatment abroad. Also, nimsa mind Ghana ye third world country. Nye bibia na ye wo kolebu. Nye University of Medical Center cry ye no na anu ya. Nye bibia na wo University of Ghana Medical Center. It's not everything that will get there. Because doctors in the omo onim de no but equipment omo de be say yare no nye ni nyina na wo and that is also not to say ye catch ye mpanifo ni say just merely because enye bibia na wo hontino they should get away with murder and they shouldn't do the right thing. No, the ye can say because Ghana ye sika nso on mine so ye budget sika ye nye ni nyina na ye tumi de bo man ho bra enti nye den a ye sika no nso ni nyina enti kakra na e be ka no ye de ehia my year third world country na sika na yen to be funny na healthcare. Because by the time we have healthcare no, can't coin so real. By the time we have healthcare no, workers so called demonstration, almost so pay a good salary. And I also soon yes, you can know so we your budget is heavily supported by donors. Your budget here, your garden, you know, donors if you are broaching a maye. Into a mind, I don't catch say, oh, let's build ultra modern hospital to say Mount Sinai Hospital, why broachira. You cannot do it. I'm buying be any third world country bet within the CK in higher healthcare. Then it's here a black one no. And on one and no say any sir. Yeah, avoid this here bemo be a qua brocha question who yare. Me wa casino. No noble Abamba speaker of parliament or yare ya go Dubai. Ya first speak and go Dubai. So until you come and play these double standards. Speaker yare, speaker crowd you all go Dubai and yare and the secretary count. Ne can. Nkofo be me ansa na di na chi no call treatment. In fact, ye nua be ma Kofi Adoma ya se bibia wo Ghana Kofi Adoma ye bo na ni. Enye Dubai no mo hwe no ho yare. Dubai na Ghana doctors na kasa kache no baby a surgery na du no. Aka o brain no ntiri na connect brain no to wani no. E ho de ye ni ho experience. Ene ye ni ho equipment wo hospital se wo osu no nti mpacho mo de mo wesika mo fa Kofi Adoma nkwa brochire. Kofi Adoma onye public officer o. On enya ban sika no de call hospital. Ibrahim na be so mu no bo akakra. Ene ye friends penifo bi ni ade na atoshi ni ade nyina so mu bo abi. Ya di Kofi Adoma kwa broche. Let's stop doing unnecessary politics when you maybe. Ghana na ye hia mo ye third world country ye ho so ya konkro. But ye ro kuje to abla kwa mu nyina anya careful because see under even President Mahama ba ne first term, Professor Mills, President Mahama, there were NDC people who went to hospital abroad. And the one was how they okujeta. In fact, yeah, Maame Zita Okankwe, she was information minister at the time. Zita, because our insurance will be one more school abroche. Into our insurance until our opportunity now so obekwa na make us say Ghana privacy crash. Who koda kolebu ade be no ansem that abontin. So a lot of people, for privacy sake, they go to approach it because it's Ghana says, yeah, oh, you know, Missy, vice president or Ghana says, yeah, and can they almost in the area na beto abonting. Or Ghana says, yeah, and carry an operation crop. In fact, Yantiana, you're a PV obey. Eko like mana, ye cha or that stretch as a could be a channel, they are beto about there, they don't need parinya. 7 kwa, 7 kwan, ye do kroma. And say, we don't follow the rules. There's no way our brochure hospital be area ko be betra picture free brochure and they are better about it because that would be breach of the HIPAA rules. Until I'm penny for no brochure. And me say more conditions of service. Rollins na yes our constitution to and ye na no pokwa man ye. So if she's benefiting and yan fault wa okuje to na no yi ka man no abeka. Buso okuje to black was ya is say can service condition kwa brochure na. So yeah, on quabrochana. Playing unnecessary politics with everything. And this is what Ghana Web quoted him as saying. Okujeto Ablakwa is of the view the officials should be stopped from seeking medical care abroad. Asem nario no. Asem nario. Ba omi ako abrochire kohe no ho yare. They politics. Me will be also him say ba omi ako chira de Canada. And it's possible say ba omi okuta an international insurance that otuminya medical care anywhere. What's your brochure now or paper now? What's your insurance? You can get treatment anywhere in Europe, anywhere in America. Because you could have insurance. And most of these international insurance companies normally are multinational. And so near the politics at Tiabaumia. And any na here from a can of any na here. Yaria is no respecter of persons. Yaria, it is no respecter of persons. Yet one. And letter beto the Vice President, Her Excellency Nana Jane Opoku-Agyeman, received treatment at the University of Medical Center on Saturday due to sudden illness that occurred after work on Friday, March 28. Based on expert medical opinion, she will be seeking further medical care abroad. We wish the Vice President speedy recovery. Because experts based on expert medical opinion should be seeking further medical care abroad. Sabi ba omi ade anya expert for ne ka so mo fa ne kwa brochire ho. Kenofoyata, the no who who said na who to say the man was almost at death. And your doctors I can't see a the people were jubilating time. I mean, you said who in there a first I sent him to almost gaga and also they do baby net also. But when he got sick, people were jubilating that he is sick. Obia ayo. Yet ebony odi saying as an offering. Penny wu akola mem papa 70 were na timokoye. Enti say yare to obi a eyo enemy oyo you must not jubilate. Shahom by force. Sa conditions where you work constitution no. Rollins mo time mo dey share constitution mu. Nipa na ye public office holder, especially article 71. Conditions of service na where ka ho no create. Enya Professor Jena no pokwa adman create. And so politics stand time ni aya ni ebi mu so afa MPP fo ni bi so afa eyo mo dese Prof Jena no pokwa adman yare. No, you shouldn't be jubilating. You shouldn't be jubilating over these things.
Efia baby obi amichiawo hwe oni me bi enioma miensa na wiase yemfa nsere me kan watie bi enioma miensa ewiase emfa nsere obi da. Number 1 eye yare se oyare da ho ana se ye bia ne na yetwa ana ontimi nante yemfa nsere nipa da. Yemfansiri nipa da. Number 2, eye senior nipa ni nyame born no. Anye sa no born ho. Me cast legals no mko yom to no mtu egu no. Me pacha se nipa ni senior born ni bia no. Yakopon say I saw it and it was good. Inti ano so yemfansiri. The third and the last one is eba. Se woba no bi ni ba yemfansiri. Okuja to blakwa. Papa me jina ho ka kire ye say or no dear, and this will never fly anybody out for medical way. If you forget so cannot say, or say even the almighty America, there are times sabe penny for be yare from to Germany, and we are to Canada. Bisa say, and then America any, it's anya bonnet sanka penny abedichie wa yare and kebe flying out. There is nothing wrong. But ye jimmy and the way we do politics, dirty and stupid politics, that has made us who we are. Vice President, baby, I wish you speedy recovery. Yami be sorry, I now what it be? Near maybe one my ye can't, ye knew once and ye can't. Because of politics, say I buy a benyenti, ye jimmy and one ye nim. Because sometimes, so we drink no question about say statement where who ye, you shouldn't make that statement. And we are saying, your friend be specialization. South China, they are very specialized when it comes to what we call herbal medicine and traditional medicine. India, they are noted for heart, kidney transplants. And to America, near catching a young friend in India, and there's nothing wrong with it. America has it, but obiani what you specialize. It's like a peninsula yari near flying outer. What is it? But because of unkwasi akikana wakaniti no, and they want say ebuabo. And we are say, yes, you are for one son, wash your son. More mutia me are more aspires to be you want to be politics. Mamu nye politics fool say. Everything should be in the interest of that mother Ghana. The first president, the first gentleman, who is President Mahama, and then about the and Article 7 waters, they are paramount to what? Ghana's interest. Because they make what? Decisions. Some can they make decisions? No. It's your flying pan outer. There's nothing wrong with it. But only maybe Okujato and that's all I'm foreign minister. I wish and I hope sir you get sick. Because they fly outer. Me baba just take it to a plane. Say some from down Ghana. Because all can say and you're right. But let me tell you, and can be a bit of a Vice President, Maame Jane, we love you so much. We wish you speedy recovery. I Xposed GHFM Bros. Subscribe, share, me the 2 man now, so I can be manual.